Hi everyone. I have a Cisco Catalyst 2960 series switch that is password protected from the command line, and there is no reset button on the outside, only a console port, so we have to get in from the terminal, and to do this we have a serial cable. So with my serial cable connected and switch powered on, I have it under ports in my device manager. Open up body, select serial, select COM port 3, in my case it is COM port 3, leave the speed as it is and click open. Now press enter and it should start loading up, and in my case then it requires username and password, which I don't know. So let's see how to reset this device, so using the flash file system, and I hope it works out. So it is booting up right now, holding down the mode button. So now you see two options, flash init and boot. So we are going to use the flash init, otherwise we will have the same result as earlier. We don't know the password. So it is done, and actually if we type help, we can use reset to reset the whole switch back to the factory defaults. But if you want to keep the old configuration, then you have to see all the directories, and this file here, config.txt, is the file where all of your passwords are stored. So actually we need to rename this to access the switch. So renaming it will be like this. So it is done. Let's see. Yes, we have .old. And now, if we boot, we will have the switch with no passwords.